Right, so in question 9, we were given this h of x function, minus x cubed plus x squared plus bx. And also g of x is equal to minus 12x. And we're given that p and q were the turning points of h. And we're also told that h passes through the origin. In earlier questions of question 9, we showed that h of x is equal to this. And we also showed that p is equal to minus 1 minus 3.5. So now we've got every bit of information that we need. And in question 9.5, it says determine the value of x, given x is smaller than 0, at which the tangent to h is parallel to g. So let me first try and just draw this out and give you maybe a bit of a visual idea of what's going on. So we know the coordinates for p and q, which are the turning points. We have minus 1, minus 3.5. So that'll be here somewhere. And 0, 0, it passes through the origin, and also 2, 10. So the graph will look something like that. And we also have g of x, which is just minus 12x, which is just a simple negative straight line. And so what they're asking us is we need to find a tangent line on h of x. So this is h of x. And this is g of x. We need to find a tangent line on h of x such that it runs parallel to g of x. Okay. So how do we do that? Well, if we look at g of x equal to minus 12x, it's just a simple straight line. So we know that the gradient of g of x is minus 12. The gradient of g of x is minus 12. So this question basically boils down to finding a tangent line whose gradient is negative 12. And we need to find at which x value that occurs. So how do we do that? Well, we know that a tangent line is described by the derivative. So h of x is equal to, h prime of x is equal to minus 3x squared plus 3 plus 3x plus 6. Okay, so that's the derivative function. And we need to find at which x value h prime of x is equal to minus 12. Okay, so minus 12 is equal to minus 3x squared plus 3x plus 6. And if you simplify that all, we get x squared minus x plus 6 is equal to 0, which means that x is minus 3 and x plus 2 come out as our factors there. And that means that x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2. However, in their question, they tell us that x is smaller than 0. So therefore, x equals to 3 is invalid. And so there we are. At x is equal to minus 2, we have a tangent line whose gradient is parallel to g of x.